So hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about our project news app. So which is created using Python. So I directly first of all run this app and open in a new tab. So my terminal is opened in a new tab, and next we discuss the outline of this project. So it basically fetches the news from a API endpoint. So it is basically a gnews.io. So you can see I copy this link and open in Chrome and paste it. So you can see it is fetched from this endpoint. So you can see the newses are fetched. So all the top newses you can see it is a REST API to search and current historical newses articles trending in 22 languages across 30 countries. So you can see you also refer this this genius.io API key. So you need to first need to sign in and create an account for yourself and use their API key in settings. So that's all about this project. So before that, I run the code. So you can see I write about mobile. So so it fetches top 10 news about mobile. So you can see here, guys. So it gives first of all a title of the news headline and it gives below that a link. So after control clicking it, open in Chrome. So you can read the article, news article, which is live, guys. You can see. So it is a best resources to integrate mm, your news app into your uh, existing any product. So that's all about this video, guys. So you can see all the news and regenerate other topics also. So thank you for watching this video. So see you in the next video.